A couple of weeks ago, I reviewed Sonos Era 100 and Era 300. Links in the description. Since then, a lot of people have DM'd me or emailed me or called me and asked whether they should buy two Era 100 as a stereo pair or just a single Era 300. This is mostly because the price of a pair Era 100 is basically the same price of a single Era 300. Now, obviously, if you compare one Era 100 to Era 300 or two Era 100 and two Era 300, obviously get the Era 300. That's a no-brainer. So my commentary is based on two Era 100 versus one Era 300. If you're going to be sitting in a proper way, using a proper setup for your Era 100, yes, get a pair of Era 100. But if you are going to be standing, sitting, moving about haphazardly like a normal human being, get an Era 300 instead. It will diffuse better in your room and produce better bass than two Era 100 combined. After all, at the end of the day, you want better sound quality, right? So that's my professional advice regarding two Era 100 versus one Era 300. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.